ZOYI R02 Integrated Thermal Multimeter, 90-second review script. Looking for a professional thermal imaging multimeter that combines electrical testing and heat detection in one compact device? Meet the ZOYI R02 Integrated Thermal Multimeter, a powerful tool designed for HVAC technicians, electricians, and floor heating specialists. The standout feature is its 240 by 240 thermal imaging resolution, providing sharp and detailed thermal images that help identify hot spots, temperature leaks, and hidden faults with impressive clarity. Built for professional diagnostics, the ZOYI R02 offers high-precision temperature measurements across a wide range from -20 degrees Celsius up to 550 degrees Celsius. This makes it ideal for inspecting heating systems, HVAC equipment, electrical panels, and industrial components. Beyond thermal imaging, it functions as a full-featured multimeter. It measures AC voltage up to 750 volts, DC voltage up to 1000 volts, and AC current up to 10 amps, covering most everyday electrical testing requirements. For advanced troubleshooting, the device also supports resistance measurement up to 250 megohms and capacitance testing up to 99.99 millifarads, helping professionals perform complete system evaluations with a single handheld tool. Its compact design, lightweight construction, and clear 1.9-inch display make it easy to use in tight spaces and challenging work environments.